This presentation is going to review the North Carolina Comprehensive Articulation Agreement, also known and commonly referred to as the CAA. So let's think about this for a moment. Where do you envision yourself going after life at Nash Community College? Do you have intentions of completing a 4-year degree at another institution? Or are you thinking about completing your degree and going straight into the workforce? No matter your intentions, oftentimes students find themselves along the road needing a 4-year degree. That is why we are going to review the CAA in this section of the course. The CAA is an agreement between the North Carolina Community College System and the 16 public North Carolina colleges and universities. This was created to protect students because the agreement ensures that courses will transfer to 4-year schools across the state if they are public. This also guarantees admittance into at least one of the colleges or universities that are publicly funded across the state. This allows a guarantee to be given to students because they now have the ability to move forward with their 4-year degree. This also protects students no matter the time frame. So if a student was to complete a degree at Nash Community College and 10 years down the road decide they need to attend a 4-year school, the protection that the student has under the CAA allows for the student to still have college transfer courses and admittance into a public university. Remember, this is an agreement between all North Carolina community college schools within the system and the public North Carolina colleges and universities. If you happen to count on this screen, you will notice that there is only 15 listed at the bottom. That is because the 16th public North Carolina college is in conjunction with a public high school. So for community college students, we only focus on the 15 listed on the screen. However, it is important to note there are 16 included in the CAA. The link you see in the middle of the screen entitled My Degree Pathway is an important document that some of you have already reviewed this semester. This document takes you to a page that outlines these particular universities and also directs you to a site on their webpage that talks to you and lists for you the type of courses you need to be taking while being a student at Nash Community College in order to make sure that you use as much time as possible here getting prepared for going there. Let's talk about the guarantees afforded to you under the CAA. One of the guarantees that we've previously mentioned was admission into one of the public colleges. So even if you don't get into the actual school that you would prefer, you are still guaranteed admission into at least one. This is very important because it guarantees your progress towards your 4-year degree. Now, discussing which classes will transfer really depends on which category they fall into. The first category we call yout. The second is general education, and the third is electives. These particular types of courses are identified in the Nash Community College course catalog as well as on your Associate in Arts or Associate in Science degree checklist. These types of courses are laid out for you in the degree pathway checklists provided by the universities. That is why on the previous screen you saw a link to the document entitled My Degree Pathway. As a college transfer student or a potential college transfer student, it is very important to pay attention to the courses that the universities are asking you to complete while at a community college. That way, you are ready to begin the second half of your four-year degree when you arrive at the institution. Now let's talk about the student requirements of the CAA. These are very important. You are required to do certain things in order to earn a degree and be awarded the CAA guarantee. Students must earn an Associate of Arts or an Associate of Science degree from a North Carolina community college in order to fall under the CAA. Under that degree, you are required to complete the 60 to 61 required credits with a C or better. That means you are only allowed to earn an A, a B, or a C in all of the courses under your Associate in Arts or Associate in Science degree. While there are some degrees offered at Nash Community College that will accept a D or 2 in order to graduate, that does not apply to the Associate in Arts or the Associate in Science degrees. These are college transfer degrees, which mean no Ds. Once you finish your Associate in Arts or Associate in Science degree with at least a 2.0 GPA, then you are granted guaranteed admission to one of the public colleges in North Carolina, and you are guaranteed that your courses will transfer. Again, the types of courses that you take will transfer into certain categories. So that is why it is very important for you to use the degree pathway documents. You could take classes that transfer, but they only transfer in as electives, and you may have to take extra courses at the four-year school. Or you could follow the bachelor degree plans located in the My Degree Pathway link, and you could transfer in as a true junior and get started on the second half of your four-year degree. Finally, let's talk about the guaranteed transfer for a moment. We all know by now that you're guaranteed admission into at least one of the schools, but maybe you have your heart set on a particular school. Well, you have the ability to determine which college you will be accepted into because your grades, your performance, your application can make you stand out when you are applying to the four-year schools. Please understand that while you can graduate and be guaranteed acceptance with a 2.0 under the CAA, Truly, you need to focus on maintaining a GPA of a 3.0 or higher. A high GPA of 3.5 to 4.0 will almost ensure your admission into at least a few of your top choices. Having a 3.0 or better increases your chances into a lot of schools. Focus on A's and B's with maybe a C or 2 if you truly have your heart set on a particular small set of schools. Your classroom performance is super important. Schools like to see lots of high grades on your transcripts, but that's not the only thing that counts. You can also include your performance in certain clubs and groups in your community and on your college campus. Perhaps you serve your community in some sort of capacity involving community service. That information on your college transcripts or your college applications also makes a difference. Maybe a nice letter of recommendation from a mentor or some adult in your community that can speak to how great of a student or how great of a community member you are. That would help as well. And finally, before you start applying to the four-year schools, make sure that you are reviewing the colleges and universities' applications that you are interested in. A lot of times those applications will give you ideas and tips for helping your acceptance. I hope that by watching this video, you have learned a little bit more about the Comprehensive Articulation Agreement and understand that there are certain advantages awarded to you for completing an Associate in Arts or an Associate in Science degree from Nash Community College.